Alright, so you don't want to be about platform so and then you pay mu e wo biaye ya e wo school isu a wo hwe na yenim se dasebe osebo nsu on the 6th and na Dotiyie no 8 abaso from 6th 7th 8th and 9th which is 4 days and na ye de dasebe eyi na as part of eyi na sebe Mampo Traditional Council preparation hold on the area no eno na nam so ama ene wo hwe ba bia ye gina ya ye pese ye twa mfonye e de chew according to report I gather no e kire say empenfo omo use this particular site na omo de car park because this particular Dotiyie na eba so no ye benya ekuku dam a ombe ba sebe omo nyina no se obi anya ba bi stronko na opake ne car sebe nya se obe pake o car no na akromfo e ko papa o glass ne na sefo o phone da mo ani akoyi da bi nti no this is the place yeah say ombetimi a level hani ye kama na bibi bia timi aye kama so yeah na yeah member their cars no ewo yeah how our place ni na look like yes it's such a very big place and that was screen so no vast land and our mother car park and these are the vehicles ahodoa empenfo AUC na omode abo a level bibia ma bibi aye kama nti as you can rightly see from here no cars in here A2 way AG na we so esesa na bibi bia tima dey aye kama and already no wo hwa omotimi oma park bi let me show you this side ya park bi ya e wo ha no ma e che se kakakakra omo try na oma level place no na bibi bia tima dey aye kama e wo ha no Mr. Yenko na ye mfa ahansoma wo mo na you try to quick not to me your mouth update preparations ahodo area mu as far as say dasebe osebo nsu na you know air concern and I dey air ma no I know somebody may ask say in where ya e ho so all this rubbish na hu nyira no on be ye free honum on be ye free na almost see house on kokranti from now to say 6th 7th 8th 9th no bit ma so no na sa nyama we nyira ya clear everyone mama hano etimi aye kama iti as you can see from there you be zoom am wo hu car na eye adwuma e ho no iti adwuma no guso a e koso kama I want us to get closer and get to know what is actually happening over there the update ni ma baby awo bia no bomo dey say obe follow ye na yetimi enya ehwo ahode the update no the amount this is the place site na ebenfo etwa so kama na ye dey dasebe osebo nsu the car park na sabe omampanyin bi ba minister bi ba MP bi ba ohire bi ba na one na pamfo the cars ahodo eba omotimi ene ba bi apake so we are trying our possible best to give you everything that is happening here it's not easy but you say you no all zoom in kakra mo na omohu de ekoso bia sabe plenty vast land such a nice place and Mampo Traditional Council na area car park enti what sound here really na yebubu contractors na dey ebubu every one of our own say ejuma no betimi akoyie e wo hanum say ebiso de atno ma on yes never say get closer na you hu vehicle no ejuma oye na won so hu say ene ma hodo bebre na Mampo Traditional Council eri bu akwan mu honom ti yenzumi na omo hwe de ekoso honom the contractors ahodo ni nyina adwuma this particular place ni nyina no a place a omo hwe se ombeboa na omo keep the place nice and neat dey ama visitors ahodo a ombetimi aba nti right now no ye do be sia na ye be to so ama back to back updates as far as dasebe osebo nsu na yi no concern from ene di kona kopem say 6 7 8 9 no nyina betimi abaso no bobo dey say obetimi follow your platforms no on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok, everywhere. I obetimi allocate here no locate here ni beji pa na watimi ehu enema pa ye de ebro ye say ye be ma back to back updates as far as a year no eye concern there. Don't go anywhere. Keep in touch with us. Ade bia opese yehu no eno so betimi apeke your numbers na screen so no na no so watimi am yehu de echo. And once again say within Mampong and its environs na bibi enkoye ewo area bibi wo ho opese o draw leaders of Mampong attention eno so betimi apeke your numbers na screen so no na wa get in touch with us. Ye beba na ye tu eka our be video abedi ho komo na ya project already so any social media so ama obi bia timi ehu de ekoso sebe ya empanfo betimi a resolve issue no e de ama so yen kona yen what's going on around this side now. Yen wrap it up hand see you wanna this one here you know. So you can see ahani na ye clamor bibi bia timi right there aye come on ha say jumana ye de ema no it is assassin esuye pa such a big place, vast land, and I'm paying for every and I'm keeping place no in touch that be BBS me I know for sure say enter copy fourth no the na say bibia etimi aye okay hold on it's I think say right now no we've done enough. I just say we've done enough. Hanum see you fancy na next time no the ebekoso bia no ye de bro I know say project enyuma hold on na ekoso this very morning I saw say at the palace no na amazing for ho mo adwuma ti ye be back to back updates ti mesre for now no this is the site ye de ye car park na bibi bia ti by there akoyi makramo.
As the French would say, l'argent n'aime pas le bruit. To it, money does not like noise. Sika impet dede.
Yeah. Vicky Sunday beat. Kumasi kenti and the shop brassy. Force, na the hanging. You did a pizza and the sweaty. Sika na palma and the switchy. Mampo boy, I'm in my drippy. Sika pedal to no men bragging. What would you say? I draw down your draw blow. The one if you're ready. Sika and your different radio. We are capable. I would not get different radio. We are some way. Sika and your different radio. We are capable. I would not get different radio. We are some way. You paid it, Sika paid it, you paid it. Put it on the head, you paid it, Sika paid it, you paid it. Put it on the head, me friend one. Let me see say no one on one. Let me have to miss mama me for me bofu. My na keso mu jadum. Hey, me ne ankonam ene ankonam sika dware ya me na my ham. Me chimi mpunam jeje mani wo bedro. La kwana me no me ne me num apuram sika me ne free rate. Obi aka pre ni mo krache. Enti hu me se me she baby chele mo wani miri mi o wate. Sika pedede e mani ni utiri won se dede. Sa so be yo hu deda. E mambo no enye bia to kwenkwen. Yeah. Sika ya different radio, we are capable. I would not get different radio, we are simple. Sika ya different radio, we are capable. I would not get different radio, we are simple. Yeah, don't delay minutes, my brother. Every day we are searching for the culture. But she said, "You man, I'm a bro need to."